are you all? In today's video, I'm going to share a beautiful home decor idea. I've taken this wooden frame lying around. This is my daughter who is helping me. First, we have painted the frame to give a base with white color, and now we are painting it with indigo blue color. For the flower design, I have taken pink and white color, and for the stem and leaves, we have taken green color. Here I am only designing the lower part of the frame. Here with the help of silver 3D cone liner, drawing the filaments of flowers. Now with the red color I am giving outlines for the petals. Here I am sticking mirrors in the middle of each flower. Here taking pink outliner, drawing the outlines for the mirrors. Coming to the upper part of the frame, I am keeping it very simple by adding some mirrors and decorating with 3D outliners. That's it. Now it is ready.